Hello, this is Catherine from Crystal Herbs. In this short meditation, I would like to introduce you to a way of experiencing your essence combinations that will take you deeper into the field of possibilities that they offer. Today, we are going to focus on the Unconditional Love combination, which is part of our Rose Collection set. However, you could also adapt this meditation for use with any of the deep acting combinations that we make, if you find it helpful. All of our deep acting combinations contain a focused mix of essences, which when potentized together, create a mandala of living vibrational frequencies that can open doorways into new, more expanded realities. You are probably most familiar with taking these combinations as drops on the tongue or possibly spraying them into your auric field. These are both powerful ways of using them that will help to facilitate the release and transformation of any patterns, thoughts, or emotions that might be keeping you stuck in old third-dimensional story loops. Recently, I have been exploring how we can use the energetic mandalas within the combinations to deepen our transformational experience and make it easier for us to maintain the vibrational frequency we are aiming for with greater consistency. So, let's explore the frequencies held within the Unconditional Love combination. Unconditional love is a powerful field of energy that is alive with unending potential and possibility. Many beautiful vibrational frequencies are available for us to experience from within this vast energetic. For example, peace, joy, harmony, compassion, wisdom, etc. Unconditional love is the base vibration of fifth dimensional unity consciousness, and one that we are all very familiar with at a soul level. From that level of awareness, the flame of love that burns within every human heart is recognized as a reflection of the love of Source, from which every aspect of our being has been created. Our connection to the whole is palpable and unquestioned here. As a species, roses hold the vibrational frequency of unconditional love in all of its many forms, and using essences made from roses can be a powerful way to move our consciousness into the heart and into alignment with the frequencies of unconditional love. The Unconditional Love combination contains 4 of our individual rose essences: compassion, Perdita, gentle Hermione, and ruby red. Each of these essences takes our awareness deeper into the heart chakra, and together they create a powerful mandala of living energies that remind us how to attune ourselves to the frequency of unconditional love. We are going to take the frequencies of these beautiful roses into our meditation today. So use the pictures of them that you can see on your screen to help you connect with them. If you can take a few drops of the Unconditional Love combination before doing this meditation, you will find it will deepen your experience, but it is not essential. In our meditation, we are going to visit a magical fifth dimensional rose garden, where roses of all kinds are growing in profusion, and where the frequencies of unconditional love are readily available for us to experience. So sit back and let's take a few deep breaths together, allowing your everyday mind to become quiet and your focus to turn within. Check that your energetic grounding cord is in place and that it is making a strong connection between your base chakra and the Earth Star chakra below your feet. Notice how the connection between your Earth Star and the center of the Earth creates a strong anchor point for your energy field. Moving your awareness into your heart chakra, begin to breathe in light and breathe out love. Breathe in love and breathe out light. Allowing the light and love to expand around you, to create a large bubble of light that encompasses your energy field. Gather all of yourself into your bubble of light, becoming fully present and focused into your heart. Allow your body to relax into ease as you become quieter and more present in the experience you are creating. Now, focused within your bubble of light, imagine that you are walking through an archway into a beautiful rose garden. Before you is the most amazing display of roses that you have ever seen. There is a profusion of colours, shapes, and varieties, some familiar, some less so. The sky is blue, and the sun is shining. It is pleasantly warm, and the heady perfume of rose fills the air. You notice how peaceful and harmonious the energy feels in the garden, and how the colours of the roses seem to be more vivid and glowing with life than those that you encounter in your everyday reality. You start to walk along one of the many paths, enjoying the roses and the wonderful ambience that they create. Follow the path as it passes the cascades of scarlet roses growing along a hedge and up an enormous tree at the side of the path, and then on through the rose arbour, where you linger to smell the exquisite perfume of the roses growing along its length. At the end of the arbour, there is a fork in the path. You take the left-hand path into a small side area of garden where there is a bench for you to sit down on. Growing all around you are the 4 roses used in the unconditional love combination: compassion, perdita, gentle Hermione, and ruby red. Sitting quietly and purposefully within your bubble of light, allow yourself to be drawn to one of these roses and begin to merge your awareness with it until you feel a strong connection building. No thought needed here, just the feeling. Allow whatever comes to you to be okay. Begin to feel how the plant experiences its environment and how it is supported by the elemental kingdom. Feel how its roots, growing deep into the earth, are nourished by the earth element. Feel the warmth of the sun and recognize the important contribution of the fire element. Acknowledge the water element that provides life-giving rain to nurture it. Recognize the vital exchange of gases made possible by the air element. Then allow the awareness of the rose to guide you to experience how its beauty and uniqueness contributes to the wonder and majesty of the natural world. There is a sense of being one with the whole, but also the sense of your own beauty. Allow this experience of unity consciousness to expand and grow, becoming aware of the vibrations of unconditional love that are so present within it. From this expanded awareness, draw the vibrant, living energies of each of the roses growing around you into your heart space, feeling how their varying frequencies interact with your own energy field. You can use the pictures on the screen to help you with this if you like. Allow the frequencies of the roses to expand, creating a living mandala of unconditional love that fills your field, letting it wash through your heart chakra and flow deeply into the cells of your physical body. Allow the feelings that this experience of unconditional love generates in your body, mind, and emotions to fully register within you. Linger here as long as you can. Then, with gratitude to the roses for their gifts, return your awareness to your everyday reality, bringing the feelings of unconditional love and oneness with you. When you notice yourself move away from this feeling as you go through your day, just breathe, recall the feeling, and touch back into the experience. Enjoy. Many blessings.